Hi all. Today we are going to explore a very interesting topic, robotic process automation, which is nothing but RPA. Let's get started. Robotics is a combination of engineering, science and technology that produces a machine called robots. Robot in general is a machine or a program that performs tasks automatically. It can be a physical, that is hardware robot, or a virtual, a software robot, and is designed to reduce human effort by doing repetitive, difficult, or a dangerous work. As I mentioned, there are two types of robots. One is hardware robot, another one is software robot. The hardware robot is a mechanical device built with sensors, actuators, and controllers that can perform a physical task. So, example for hardware robots are the industrial robots, which is used in factories, robots used in surgery, delivery robots, humanoid robots like a walking or a talking robots. The next robot is software robots. A software robot is a program or a code that mimics human action on a computer, like clicking, typing, or copying data between the applications. So, some example of software bots are RPA bots, which like UiPath, Automation Anywhere, etc. Chat bots that we use in day-to-day life, web crawlers, automated script to process emails or data. So let's discuss in detail about robotic process automation RPA. So RPA is a software technology which is used to develop a software bots that mimic how the people interact with the computer and software. It is a technology that allows organization to automate repetitive rule-based tasks using software robots. So often it is referred as bots. So these involves creating software robot that will mimic human actions to perform tasks within the existing applications. That is, you're going to transfer the process execution from humans to the bots. So these bots interact with various UI, extract data, manipulate file, execute processes just like the human operator would do. So why it is important for students to pursue RPA domain? So it allows students to think creatively about the process improvement. It identifies the repetitive tasks and design efficient automated solutions, problem solving and innovation. That is very essential skills used in industry. And what are all the roles that is given in the industry is RPA developer, RPA analyst, RPA consultant, RPA solution architect. So these are some of the roles in the industries where the students can get the certification and can they join there. And let's come to the few important characteristics of the RPA. The first important characteristic is a rule based. A rule based is nothing but it is already the predefined rules. So it will follow some predefined set of rules and it is known as a rule based. And next is it is non invasive. So it doesn't require any major changes. And the third important characteristic is scalable. So the bot can handle a large volume of tasks simultaneously. So hence it is scalable and it will avoid the human error. So, since it avoids the human error, obviously we'll be getting the more accuracy. And next, we are going to see why is RPA transformative. So the RPA technology is changing how the world gets work done. So as I mentioned, so it will perform the repetitive and low value work like logging into application systems, moving files and folders, extracting, copying and inserting data, filling in forms and completing routine analysis and reports. So these are all the tasks which can be done automatically. So the advanced robots can even perform a cognitive process like interpreting text, engaging in chats and conversation, understanding unstructured data, applying advanced machine learning models to make the complex decision. So this is where the agentic AI plays a major role. And next, when robots do these types of repetitive high volume tasks, the humans are free to focus on things they do best and enjoy more. It's no wonder that RPA is rewriting the story of work. So next comes the applications of RPA. So RPA in a healthcare is used to automate repetitive rule-based tasks such as data entry, appointment scheduling, billing, and patient record management, saving time and reducing error. So the key applications where the RPA is used in healthcare is in patient registration. So it automatically fills in patient details from forms to hospital systems. And next application is appointment scheduling, where we can book and reschedule the appointment without the human efforts. And next is billing and claim processing. So it will generate bill and process insurance claim faster and error free. And next, where RPA is used in healthcare is medical record management, where it extracts, organizes, and updates patient medical records securely. Lab report distribution sends the report to patients or doctors automatically after test completion. Next is compliance and audit reporting. It prepares the report required for audits and the legal compliance. So the benefits of RPA in healthcare is it saves the time for medical staff and it reduces the human errors, improve patient experience and cut down the operation cost. So this is where RPA plays a major role in the healthcare domain. And the next application is HR. So the key application of RPA and HR is employee onboarding. So this is the main important thing where RPA plays a major role. It automatically creates the employee profile. It will generate ID cards and sends the welcome emails. And next is an payroll processing. Like it will calculate salaries, taxes, tax deduction, and generates the payslip on time. And next is attendance and leave management. It tracks the attendance, approve or reject leave requests, and update the records and resume screening. So it filters the resumes based on keywords and job requirement to shortlist suitable candidates. And employee data updates, like update changes in employee information like address or contact number across the systems. And next is exit process automation. It generates the final settlements, remove system access, and sends exit forms. So the benefits of RPA in HR is it will save the HR staff time, it reduces the manual error, improve compliance and consistency. So consistency is nothing but a software is developed in a way that all repetitive tasks can be performed in the same way. And next is it speed up the employee services and it enhances the employee experience. The next application is telecom. So how the RPA is being used in the telecom applications. So as usual, like we'll be having the customer onboarding, that is, it will automatically collect the customer data. It verifies identity and activates services quickly. And next, billing and invoice processing. It will generate the accurate bills for prepaid or postpaid users. It will handle the payment tracking and reminders. SIM activation and deactivation, like it will automate the SIM registration, activation or deactivation without the manual effort. Next is network monitoring and alerts, where it will monitor the network issues and automatically raises the tickets for maintenance. Customer support automation, like chatbots and RP bots can auto reply to the common queries and route the complaints to the right department. So, coming to the benefits of RPA in telecommerce, it speed up the service delivery and it reduces the manual errors, saves operational cost, boosts customer satisfaction, and ensures 24 by 7 task execution. And next application is insurance. So in insurance, as in HR and telecom, insurance also like RPA, customer onboarding is very much required. And next is policy insurance and renewal. It generates and sends a policy document reminder for renewal and update changes. Claim processing. It will read the claim forms, validate data, and initiate claim settlement faster. Regulatory compliance. It will automate the data collection and report generation for audit and legal compliance. Fraud detection support. So this is an important area where the RPA is being used. Flag suspicious claims for further investigation using the rule-based checks. Customer support automation. And the next application where RPA is being used is in retail industries, like in inventory management. It will automatically monitor the stock levels and reorder when the inventory is low. Invoice processing. It reads and processes invoices from vendors without manual data. Customer support. Sales and demand reporting. Generally, it will generate the daily, weekly, monthly sales report automatically, and it will track the order from placement to delivery, updating the system and customers, and it will monitors the competitors' pricing and update your online pricing accordingly. The next application where RPA is being used is in travel and logistics. So it is mainly used for ticket booking automation, like process the booking, cancellation, and send the confirmation without the human help. And it will track the parcel movement and send real-time updates to the customer in the logistic, that is in shipment tracking updates. And it will process the payment things. It will generate the invoice, verify the payment details, and update the system. And customer support, it will respond automatically to frequently asked questions about booking status, delivery dates, etc. And it will mainly used in document handling. That is, it will read and process the document like bills of lading, delivery notes, passport, and it will generate the audit reports and ensures cross-border shipment compliance. So these are the few applications, a few domains where the RPA is being used. So next comes the benefits of RPA. So here we have mentioned some of the benefits. The one is it will increases the efficiency. It has a greater efficiency that is the bot works 24 by 7 without breaks or speeding up processes. And next is it will reduces the error. So it will perform the task with high accuracy, minimizing the human mistakes. And next it will saves the time. It automate the repetitive task, freeing up human employees for creative work. And next it will cut the operational cost, reduces the need for large manual labor, saving the money. And next is improved compliance. It will maintain the proper audit trails and follow the rules consistently. And the next thing is it will enhances the customer service. That is, it will faster the response and accurate information, improve the human experience, that is user experiences. And the next thing is better data handling. It will collect, process, and transfer the data efficiently across the system. And next comes the scalability. As I mentioned earlier, it is one of the important characteristics of RPA. It will easily increases or decreases the number of bots based on the workload. So So these are the few benefits of RPA. And coming to the RPA tools list. So these are the few RPA tools: UiPath, Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, Pega, Workato, Kufax. So these are the few RPA tools I have listed here. So let's dive in deep into one of the important tool, which is UiPath. So UiPath is a leading robotic process automation tool that enables businesses to automate a routine task. So it is founded in 2005 by Daniel Dines and Marius Dirka. UiPath has grown to become a key player in the automation industry. This tool uses visual interface, making it accessible to users without a deep technical background. So this particular RPA carry out repetitive tasks traditionally performed by the humans. So these tasks can include data entry, invoice processing, customer service operation. By automating these processes, the organization can significantly increase efficiency and reduce errors, leading to cost savings and improved productivity. So why UiPath is important? So as I mentioned earlier, the benefits of using RPA is increased efficiency, cost reduction, improved accuracy, that is human errors are common in manual processes. Since we are automating these tasks, the human errors can be reduced. And next is scalability. So it can handle the large volume of tasks simultaneously by increasing or decreasing the workload of the bots. And compliance and auditability. It ensures that automated process adhere to regulatory standards. The platform provides a detailed logs and audit trails, making it easy to maintain compliance and conduct audits. So coming to bots, UiPath bots, here there are two important bots. One is attended robots, another one is unattended robots. So the attended robot is the one where the it needs a manual intervention. So as you can see, it needs a manual intervention. They are triggered by the user action, that is like clicking a button and help in completing the repetitive part of the task. Consider for example, imagine you work at a bank and need to copy a customer data from a mail and paste it into a form. You just click a button and this attended boss will fill the form automatically while you supervise. So the important key points of these attended robots are it run on the user desktop, it needs a user interaction, helpful in front office tasks such as customer services. So from this you can see the architecture where the manual intervention is necessary. So coming to unattended bots. So unattended bot work without the human help. So it will operate without the human intervention. They are scheduled or triggered automatically and can run in the background on a virtual machines or the server. So example for an unattended robot is consider an insurance company runs a bot every night at 2 a.m. to process 1,000 claim from a database and generate a summary reports. So no human clicks anything. The unattended bots does it all on its own. The key point is it is fully automated, no human interaction. It is ideal for the back office tasks such as data entry, report generation, etc. So these are the pros of UiPath, that is scalability, payload, valuable work, 24 by 7 operation, improved efficiency, quality. So this is the studio UiPath Studios image where we will see in detail about the UiPath Studio in the next video. Thank you.